So today I'm going to very briefly show you how to sort information within a spreadsheet. Okay, so let me share my spreadsheet with you. Here we go. So this is my spreadsheet of RX expenses. And what I want to do is sort the information. So maybe what I want to do is have, what's the largest or what's the smallest expense in quarter four? Okay, smallest expense in quarter four, and we'll have that as the top row, if you like. So what I need to do is just set in any cell within the column that I want to sort, okay? In fact, no, let's go for annual total, okay? So we'll have this in ascending, going upwards order, okay? So any cell within the column that I want to sort, I can sit in, and then I just go to my data tab up here, data, and then I can sort lowest to highest or highest to lowest. At the moment, it looks to be highest to lowest. So let's make it the opposite way, lowest to highest. So I'm sitting just in a cell within the column that I want to sort by. So I want the entire spreadsheet to be sorted so that it's lowest expense, then working up to highest annual total. Okay. So, and we can see travel is now at the bottom, stationery is at the top. So the annual total should be in ascending order, going upwards, 144.30 up to 164, up to 180, up to 187, up to 550. And what that sort button has done is it's taken all the information in each of the rows and kept it all together, but sorted this in ascending, going upwards order. Equally, if I wanted to sort it again so that it was in descending order, so from the highest down to the lowest, I could use this descending, okay, so from largest to smallest. And there we go. Travel is now at the top. Okay. And let me just stop sharing my screen and come back. And that's how you sort in ascending and descending order within a spreadsheet.